but it gets the job done for the moment by Jimmy Alexis. Coming back in once again by Matarrita. Leaping forward to Saborio, and Placide can't keep it out. It's not the prettiest goal, but it is a goal for Costa Rica. It rolls in, and Saborio and Costa Rica have the lead at Red Bull Arena.
Well, just having the presence and the bodies around, there was chaos in that penalty area. They panicked. Haiti, they couldn't get rid of the ball. There was chaos. And in the end, it ends up just trickling over the line. But they kept the ball alive. They kept asking questions. There was bodies in the penalty area. They was
Nazon was the player who was fouled. Dukes Nazon, the player who will take the attempt from 12 yards out, and he hammers it in. Great penalty. Nazon and Haiti have leveled it at 1-1 in the second half. At the end, a turn on the left side. Giancarlo Gonzalez defending in this 1v1. Slips it into the box. Alex Christian puts it across the face of goal. And there it is! Arriving at the back post. He conceded an own goal earlier, but Jimmy Alexis has put Haiti on top.
absolutely marvellous.
That's the old from zero to hero.
That's the way to come back. That run, that desire, they keep backing off. They're petrified of the pace. The touch here calms it down.